The future isn't coming, it has already begun. Welcome to Prime Top 10.
Introducing the 2026 Red Tiger 4K Dual Dash Cam. Sleek neon blue built for the road. 4K Ultra HD, Sony Starvis 2. Sensor Night Vision Pro with Starvis 2. Bright headlights, clean exposure, zero glare. Dual channel, front plus rear. See more, miss less. Wi-Fi app control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast downloads and real-time control. WDR technology, crystal clear daylight, wide dynamic range, every detail defined. 24H parking guard, motion detection, G-sensor lock, your car protected. Loop recording, no gaps, 128 GB card included, events auto-locked. 4K dash cam 2026. Smarter, clearer, safer.
If discovering smart, life-changing gadgets inspires you, subscribe and explore the future with us.